All right, so we've been working in the background for a while now on a few things, mainly what our plans are for the upstairs part of Nemesis. A few people around us have kind of been told about it. See, a lot of people know by now, but we haven't officially launched it. So the official launch date is now, and let me show you rather than talking about it. But Nemesis have now gone into wrapping and PPF. Exhibit A. The first car at Nemesis 2.0 has been completed. Brand new Audi RS6 has had the complete car PPF'd. Obviously it's had all of the normal defects that you would get from a brand new car, dealership, swirl marks. So we've gone through it, we've corrected the paint. That is all part of the process of PPF. We wouldn't do it without doing a paint correction on it first. Customer drove for a little bit because, I mean, brand new RS6, why would you not? I wouldn't be able to wait either. But the complete car has now been PPF'd. That includes bumper and all the trims. Even the headlights have been PPF'd. Even the mirrors have been PPF'd. The handles have been PPF'd. Side skirts, kick trims when you open the door, they will be in PPF'd inside here, along there. They've been PPF'd. Even the alloy railings, they've been done. Walking over to the back, the rear diffuser, that's been PPF'd in satin PPF. The roof, the spoiler. Yeah, so for a full car, we do mean the full car. Everything has been done. As part of the package, we have taken the wheels off and ceramic coated the wheels, the faces, the insides of them. So like I said, even with the mirrors done, the brushed aluminium trims done, the door handles, even the piano black window trims, they've been PPF'd as well. Everything's been PPF'd pretty much except the windows. But then coming on inside, we didn't do a full interior PPF, but we have done the 3 media screens. They've been PPF'd as well. So pretty much that is it. Nemesis have started PPF, Nemesis have started wrapping. If you want your car looking this shiny, this badass, this glossy, you know who to call. Nemesis, baby.